Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with VidIQ for YouTube growth, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for VidIQ, which is www.vidq.com. Press enter to navigate to the VidIQ homepage. Once the page loads, locate the sign up button, usually found at the top right corner. Click on the sign up button to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Fill in your email address in the designated field. Next, create a password that meets the required criteria. Retype your password in the next field for confirmation. After filling out the email and password, look for the Terms of Service checkbox. Check the box to agree to VidIQ's terms and conditions. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button to continue. An email verification is typically sent to your inbox. Open your email application and look for the verification email from VidIQ. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click on the verification link provided in the email. This link will direct you back to the VidIQ website. Once redirected, you may need to log in again using your email and password. After logging in, you will be guided to set up your VidIQ profile. Provide any additional information requested, such as your YouTube channel name. Connect your YouTube account by following the on-screen prompts. Authorize VidIQ to access your YouTube account. Once connected, your VidIQ dashboard will display various tools and features. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard and its offerings, such as keyword research and analytics tools. Explore the resources available to help you maximize your YouTube growth. By following these steps, you are now registered with VidIQ and ready to enhance your YouTube experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.